2 drawers plus a lower cabinet, 2 larger wardrobe closets, and then the far side cabinet door is a pantry. Laid out just like the 21RBS closet. Pantry. 2 drawers, lower cabinet. Bathroom, hair dryer, corner shower, 2 towel racks, vent, recessed pancake, or actually those are recessed puck lights, and they operate with a switch. I really like the rigs that are a little higher end that have switches to run all the lights instead of having to reach up on the ceiling to turn the lights on and off. I've just gotten really accustomed to that in my truck camper. And here's the majority of our inside lights. That turns on 5 of them, 1 above the door, 4 in the main living area. Thermostat right there. Ducted AC, speaker, skylight. That light turns on and off with a switch right there. Front full-size queen bed. 4 overhead cabinet doors. And there's a light up there. And then there's 2 bedroom lights that operate with a switch. Right over here. Nice big TV. Curtain for the bed. And kind of hard to see, but there's 3 drawers down there. And this opens up for underbed storage as well. Wow, that's pretty big. It's probably about 16 to 18 inches deep, or front to back, maybe 8 inches deep or so. Full width of the bed. Another AC duct, and then we've got another one up here. So there's 3 ducts for AC in the main area, and then 1 in the bathroom. Heat duct right there. 2 drawers in the kitchen. Nice and deep. And another heat outlet down here. There's an outlet for plugging in your laptop.